Ais Resort river view rooms. So upstairs there is the mountain view. There is the indoor pool. Nice warm temperature it is. And along the left hand side down here, you can see are the river view rooms. Now let's go and have a look in one of the river view rooms. Is here. So head into the river view room. You have the bathroom. There's a shower, toilet, wash basin and mirror. And you head on through. Got twin beds pushed together. There is aircon, there is cupboards, duvets, towels all provided. Then you come up here to a indoor seating area which has table and chairs and fridge, tea, coffee and kettle. Then you head outside onto the veranda. Here, again, table and chairs set, and here is your river view. So it's a view towards the river, because the river is over there, beyond the campsite.